Guys, and I'm telling you, if there's any inkling in your mind that you have to take a deuce before you go on a ride, make sure you do it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Motovlog. D-Cycle here on a beautiful Tuesday morning. It'll probably be Wednesday when you see this video, but right now it's Tuesday for me. So the subscriber count's going up a handful since last video. I think we're about 105 now, so that's pretty awesome. And guys, just to update you on the subscriber giveaway, remember, DX Caprice, if you're watching, and I hope you are, you have till this Thursday to reply for your t-shirt, because I have not heard from you. So DX Caprice 88, you have a couple more days to claim your prize. Alright, so I'm anxiously waiting on my new Vance & Hines slip-on muffler that Vance & Hines was so gracious to provide to me for free. Thank you guys again very much. That should probably be arriving next week. They said it was going to take a couple of weeks to manufacture, and then they'd ship it out to me. Maybe I'll do an install video. I'll just have to see how much it entails. So, some other news. I bought a new helmet a couple days ago. I should have it tomorrow. Now, I know you guys may give me a little bit of shit for this, but that's fine. But until you've really experienced a Midwest summer's day with the humidity and 90 degrees and all that jargon, I did end up buying a half/3/4 LS2 Rebellion helmet. And of course it is because of the heat, and it's not something I'm going to wear all the time. It's something I'm mainly going to wear on longer rides when it's extremely hot. Like this morning, of course I'm wearing my full face, and I'll probably wear my full face the majority of the time. But on this ride this Saturday, there's going to be a lot of stop and go. It's going to be probably, you know, a couple hours worth of rides. So I wanted to make sure I wasn't going to get heat exhaustion in the middle of, you know, a stop or something. So I went with the LS2 Rebellion helmet. It got really good reviews, and of course, like most LS2 helmets, it's got the drop-down sun visor, which is critical to me anymore because I will not go back from that. Maybe next year I'll be in the market for another full face helmet. I still want to get that showy helmet that I talked about in another video. So speaking of the ride Saturday, June 9th, Bikers Against Autism Run. Starts at 10 Harley-Davidson. Sign-ups are at 11 a.m. Kickstands are up at 1. There will be music, cornhole contests, auctions, yada yada yada. Plus, we'll be at a Harley-Davidson dealership. So there should also be food as well. There's usually food at these events. Come on out. I think it's $15 for a rider to go on the run, $20 or $25 a couple. Here's the information again right here. If anybody wants to go, hit me up. Right now, I think I'm just going down there solo. But it'll be good to meet some new people, see what the community is all about down the Alton Way. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to have a little chat with the people that started the whole charity run. Kind of give you a little insight on that video this weekend when I shoot it. But I will be shooting a ton of video. I won't be motovlogging like normal because, like I said, I'll have my half helmet on, and I don't know how I'll be able to motovlog with my Senna with that helmet. I'll just have to see if it's possible. With the open face and stuff, the wind might be too much noise, but we'll just have to see. So another thing I wanted to talk about, I mean, this came into my mind the other day because, I mean, it's always in your mind when you're riding. It's always in the back of your mind, and you know that every time you get on your bike, you know you have the possibility of crashing. Now, not that it's ever the rider's fault 100% of the time. You know, a lot of the times it's people who say that they don't see bikes, which is why you always give yourself a good following distance. Always make sure you're as visible as possible. Turn your brights on. Make sure you got loud pipes. Make sure people can hear you coming. And people, if you're watching, if you're in a car, just be aware that motorcyclists are out. This is summertime. We're everywhere. Make sure you, before you pull out into another lane, before you change lanes, before anything. Make sure you give us a second look just to make sure we're not there. Because we're not as big as a car, and we're not going to take the impact like a car. But I'm curious, have any of you watching ever been involved in a motorcycle accident? I haven't, and I know there's that saying, there's people that have been down and there's people that are going to go down. I don't know if that's true. I mean, it could happen to me anytime. It could happen to me right now. You just never know. That's why I wear my gear. But I do want to know if you guys have a story. Do you guys have a story you want to share in the comments below about a crash that you were involved in? Let me know what happened. Was it your fault? Was it somebody else's fault? Appreciate any feedback you can give me. And also let me know, did you learn from it? Is it something that, was it a mistake you made, excuse me, that you know not to make again? And it is allergy season galore. I've been having seizing fits lately. Whoever says they're looking forward to summer, I don't know if you realize all the shit that comes with it. Seems like we didn't have enough spring. So remember, if you want to buy a D-Cycle t-shirt, they're $15 a piece, extra for shipping. Hit me up in the comments below if you would like to get one. All proceeds benefit Heidi Foundation. That's about all I got for this video. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next one this Saturday at 10's.